Okay, it's just starting now. Just turned it on. Let's say about 2 minutes into it. Right over there. That's the flyback right there. It's warming up. There's the monitor. It's kind of dark back here. Could be a long video. This time it's taken forever. Got a push on it. Nothing happens when I push on it. Might just have to. Okay, now it's starting to heat up. Definitely not over here. Well, I don't know where it's coming from actually. It's from back here somewhere. Okay, it's just whining right now. There it goes again. So we're at 1 minute and 52 seconds. Again, I'm pretty sure it's coming from here. It's not nearly as loud, is it? Yeah, it's starting to ring a little bit. I guess it sounds louder out here. If I go back here. Okay, so when I push on it, it changes pitch. It's definitely tight, so I don't think that loosening that up is going to do anything and reapplying the bolts in there. I don't know. I should be pushing on this stuff with my finger, but and it's gone. It's done. That's it. So it goes on for about 3 minutes and it's done. Okay. Let me know what you think.